Hello, Luke. Could you explain, please, what it means when one says that a woman is handsome? Now, some of you might think when you see this question, get out of here. Get out of here, Art, with your handsome comment. Women can't be handsome. Handsome is a word used for men, right? However, that's not quite right. Now, I want to be very clear that it's not usually used for women. Most of the time, the word handsome is used to describe men, right? It's commonly a masculine male word. And we use beautiful or cute or elegant or gorgeous for women, right? Usually, we wouldn't say a gorgeous man. But there are times when we might use those words for the other gender. And let's talk about when we can do that. A handsome woman might be a woman that may be beautiful, sure, but that gives sort of an elegant sense to others. A sense of being not royalty, right? Not royalty like a king, like a queen, I should say. Not quite like that, but definitely a more formal sense. A woman who maybe dresses in a certain way or level of formality that gives a sense that this person is very classy, that this person is very elegant. And sometimes we use that for other things as well. Someone might say a very handsome cat. You could say the word handsome for cat. Now, we don't usually use it that way, but when we get that impression that there is some kind of formality or elegance involved, we might use the word handsome. Now, it doesn't mean that the woman is manly, to be clear. It doesn't mean that the woman is manly, but maybe there is just that sense of elegance. Okay, so a royal sense. I want to use the word royal. That's the sense I get when someone uses it like that. Now, it is kind of antiquated. Antiquated means it's kind of old-fashioned. People don't usually use the word handsome woman. But when they do, it sort of sounds like that. It's a very handsome woman. It's kind of formal. And it's definitely not used casually. Okay, so that's how we would use that. Now, could someone say a gorgeous man? Has anyone ever said a gorgeous man? Yes. Now, sometimes it's used ironically, meaning that when a woman sees an extremely handsome man with big muscles who's perfect in every way, he's gorgeous, women might say of that man. He's gorgeous. As though the level has been exceeded. Handsome no longer is good enough to describe the characteristic of this man. He's like a statue, a sculpture, a work of art. His muscles and his perfect jawline or whatever it is that's perfect, right? Often for hunks, big strong guys whose bodies look like a work of art. We say, oh, he's gorgeous. You might see that in movies as well. And I want to be clear, usually handsome is used for men and gorgeous is used for women, but you'll hear them sometimes going the other way. So that's how it works.